So next, let's look at this question here, which is on graphing techniques. Let's see how I can do this proficiently. So you are given to sketch, you're told to sketch the graph 2x squared plus 3 and label clearly. I think this one here, I just presume that you know how to sketch and find the oblique asymptote. Just do a long division. So obviously this is 2x squared plus 3 over x minus 2. So this is 2x. So it's 2x squared minus 2x. Then this will be 2x plus 3 and plus 2, 2x minus 4 minus 7. Okay, so once this is done, part 1 is pretty okay. You have y equals to 2x plus 2 plus 7 over x minus 2. So OA, oblique asymptote, will be y equals to 2x plus 2. The vertical asymptote will just be x equals to 2, where the bottom denominator equals to 2. Okay, so just sketch it out. I'm just going to use Desmos. Obviously, you can use a GC and sketch it out. Just remember that you could, you know, zoom out and just make sure that everything is in place. So this is y equals to. Now, I would suggest that what you need to do is make sure that that you plot the original graph as 2x squared plus 3. So 2x squared plus 3 over x minus 2. And make sure you zoom it out using a GC, and after which you have got x equals 2. And plot in your oblique asymptote, which y equals to, what graph is it? 2x plus 2. So it's 2x plus 2 as such. Okay? Great. So once this is done, just make sure that you plot it properly. So I'm just going to use Desmos because Desmos is very friendly. Here you go. And this is going to be blue color. But, so plot it. Now, you see that once the oblique asymptote, if you don't get the correct one, meaning your oblique asymptote is wrong. So here clearly is wrong. Plus 2x squared, 2x minus, oh, this is 4. Do you see that? So I did a mistake there. So that's the reason why you should always key in your oblique asymptote here. So this is 4. And if this is 4, this will be 4 as well. So this is 4. And there will be minus 8. And there will be 11. Okay. So this is 2x plus 4 instead. So this is plus 11. 2x plus 4. Okay, so you just key in calculator like that. 2x plus 4. Great. So once done, just going to find the max point, min point, and everything here. Label it. Oh, they just want the equation asymptote. Okay, that's pretty okay. So that's it here. So once this is done, we are going to put this as x equals to 2. X equals to 2 here. And that will be y equals to 2x plus 4. Okay, just label everything down. Okay, there you go. We're quite pretty fast. There you go. Okay. Usually I would suggest just put in all these values here. So this is negative 3 over 2, the intercept. That's about it. And the mean point you could also find by using calculator.